Hi guys. Happy Thursday evening, late. I just wanted to hop on really quick because I've been making posts about breathing and bubbles and anesthesia, and I know I've promised to answer what the significance is. So I have been reading studies where blowing bubbles, actually has a calming effect. And there have been studies done specifically on children in different clinical settings. And I was just really excited because when you look at my new book, Anesthesia from A to Z with Nurse Nee Nee, the illustration on the letter B, the little boy's blowing bubbles. And I thought, oh wow, that is so cute. Um, but yes, and it's the whole action of when you blow bubbles, you have to actually concentrate to do so. You can't be doing anything else. And I'm not talking about the fancy bubbles that you wave around or, I even saw bubbles that actually, when you take them out of the stick and swing your hand, they come out in shapes and formations. And I'm not really sure how that works, but I've got to do a little bit more research on that. But I mean, it's just really, really cool because when you are like doing old style blowing bubbles, you have to take in a deep breath, and with pursed lips, you have to, honey, thank you. You knew I was going to ask. But yeah, I can do this because I'm in my laundry room. I haven't. So, yeah, so let me just show you what I mean. But it's, you dipping the stick in, you're taking a deep breath, and then with pursed lips, my respiratory therapists out there, they know what pursed lip breathing is about. But with pursed lips, you just blow out and you get those bubbles. But it's the concentration. It's the fact that you're concentrating and you're putting your mind on something other than maybe, what's causing the anxiety, what has you overwhelmed, what traumatic event you may be, about to face. That act of actually just having that stillness, that quiet, that concentrated time of concentration where you're blowing bubbles, has helped. So, this is Mental Health Awareness Month. So I just wanted to bring that topic up. Everything doesn't work for everybody. But if it's something you'd like to try with your child, I think it's worth it. I think it's very much worth it. Doesn't work? Okay, doesn't work. Pass it to somebody else. It may work for them. But I didn't want to leave you hanging much longer. It's later than I want it to be. But yeah, so yeah, I'm going to blow some more bubbles. Actually, I'm going to get out of these clothes and get ready for bed because I'm going back in tomorrow. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.